Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Snakes. Venom of snakes is nothing but the saliva of snakes. Snake venom contains two components, enzymatic component and non-enzymatic component. Enzymatic component is responsible for locally systemic effect, whereas non-enzymatic component is responsible for lethal or fatality. Enzymatic compartment contains enzymes like proteases, proteinases, phospholipases, phosphatidases, esterases, lecithinase, hyaluronidase. Hyaluronidase is present in all snake venoms. Non-enzymatic component includes neurotoxin, hemolysin, cardiotoxin, and cytolysin. Signs and symptoms of the snake poisoning. Signs and symptoms differ based on the snake. Dry bite. If there is dry bite, there is no evidence of poisoning because in dry bite, very less or no venom is injected. So, no features of toxicity are seen in dry bite.
thank you and thank you for watching.